Ja, mislim, da je bila danes ena težka tekma na težkem igrišču, ampak tudi take tekme morajo priti. Mislim, da smo odigrali neko solidno tekmo in kar je tudi najbolj pomembno, da smo na koncu zmagali. Ja, mislim, da so vidni napredki v igri. Tudi nasprotnik je bil mogoče malo boljši od ostalih, s katerimi smo do sedaj igrali. Ampak take tekme pridejo prav, mislim, da je napredek v igri in upam, da bomo šli samo tako naprej.
Yeah, it's a very good game, aggressive game, because Istra is a good team and they're really aggressive, and the condition of the pitch is not so good, but we were able to play a good game, and we showed great quality technically, also tactically, and the aggressivity we showed and we played helped us a lot, because we've been training this way for some weeks now, and really it's helping us. I'm training really hard and working really good. Also tactically and technically I feel good. I keep working hard and giving my best always, and I can't wait for the championship to begin.